Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Workload Assessment Reports tutorial. Tap onto your assessment card. You will land onto the Highlights page. See the right top corner of the screen. There are a variety of reports that can be downloaded or emailed for offline business use. Click Generate the comprehensive report. A comprehensive report is downloaded for offline business use. Let's see what it contains. These are the areas covered in the report. Similarly, you can generate the other reports as well. Here's how you can email the generated reports. It populates your registered email ID. Within seconds, an archive of the downloaded reports lands into your inbox. Hover on the help icon against the report to know a brief summary of what the report contains. Click back to go back to the listing page.